Welcome back, chaps. Thanks for joining me in this wild camp in Northumberland. Today I've come to a crag in Northumberland. Great Crag, not too high. The top part is what I was up there, I shall see the highest part. 319 metres, but the crag does come all the way down here behind me. So we're going to head up there, see if we can find a pitch. Weather 15 degrees, you can see it's a little bit murky. It's not forecast for rain, which is good. Temperatures are dropping lower, down to 0 degrees. So the only thing I've added in my kit this time is a bivvy bag, so I've kept the sleeping bag. I will be going down to a quilt soon, but not at the minute. But yeah, very light, 9.8 kg all weighed in, so yeah, a very light one. So yeah, we'll head up there now, go and check out what's at the top. It's the first for me, I've never been up here before, so a little bit of a recce as well. Hopefully we'll get some nice views of the Cheviots in the distance too. So, our way. Been here a while, I haven't pitched up yet due to a lot of climbers along this edge here. There's quite a few at the minute, obviously with it being late nights and making the most out of it. You can't see them, but you can hear them. They're probably just below us down there. So yeah, I've been looking for pictures anyway. I had a scouter across the edges, some nice pictures on the actual crag edge. I've got this nice little one here. There's a few more, we've got one there. Couple up the top, but that's where mainly rock climbing up the top, so I want to keep away from that. So I'm thinking where I am, or maybe it's down there. It is a bit early to pitch up with these being here, so probably laid off a bit. Well, this is my chosen pitch, right on the end of the crag. We've got the Geordie up there, testing out some new kit. He's got a canny pitch. See, the rock climbers are just further up past Steve, so where he is there, some canny pitches, but we don't want to really interrupt them. The light's fading, so I'm going to get set up and have a bit natter on. So this is a pitch. I've lifted this end up from your head. As you can see from this angle here, it does pull up a little bit, but it does make a massive difference as it pulls it in over here. So yeah, right on the edge of this crag, I've dropped it down to 115 centimetres rather than 120, just to get it a bit more bow tight with the floor. The scran as usual, with some slow gym which I make every year, travel pack 2, bivvy bag, technology pillar. As I've said before, don't pump it up rock hard, you'll have a better night's sleep. Let it flow with you. Got my down coat lofting up there, sleep kit on the back, and my drone. So yeah, really happy with the pitch. Can't go wrong with it. I'm going to go and see Steve now, chat out his setup as he's testing out some new equipment which I'm very interested in seeing. Budget wild camping, which we've all been there and done it, so it's nice for him to get some equipment out and give it a test. So yeah, let's go and check out his stuff. So I've popped up to see Steve's setup. Do you want to run us through what you've got?
Yeah, definitely. This is the Mountain Warehouse Explorer 2, I believe. Oh, my beer's dropped. Shite, hold on. So I've got the Mountain Warehouse Explorer 2 here. Budget tent. I've teamed up with Mountain Warehouse and they've sent me a kind of rafter budget gear to try out, and I'm actually going to do a giveaway. So if you're interested in getting into wild camping and you think, oh, it might be a bit expensive, this stuff should probably see you through 3 seasons. So inside we have a 500 gram, I'll show you this, 500 gram sleeping pad, which is this. We also have the extreme down sleeping bag, which is good, or a limit to 0, I believe, so we'll see how we get on tonight. And obviously a pillow at the top, but should see you through.
What's the rucksack you've got there?
The rucksack is, again, Mountain Warehouse. This is the Inca 65 litre. This is quite good, some good materials on it.
Some hip pockets there as well.
Yeah, adjustable, some nice airflow on the back, relatively comfortable. Get all your winter gear in there.
Spot on.
Good.
Have a little look around it. The Geordie Wild Camper even said it's got a window on the door, so I'm looking forward to seeing that.
I can unzip it if you want.
Aye, let's have a look. Yeah, nice little tunnel tent. Get 2 years in there comfortably.
Do a grand unveiling here. Oh, look at that.
I think it puts Hillybergs to shame, this mind.
No, honestly.
I think it's something we're all missing from tents. We'll have to get out to see what the weather is, but
I've got a perfect view of your tent from there. Keep an eye on you.
eventually I'm back on the tent. Me and Steve's been having a good catch up, just sort of camping, life. Good bit crack on, to be honest with you. Get lost on the time sometimes, don't you? You don't realise what the time is. Right, I'm going to get myself sorted, get my sleep clothes on, catch up with a bit of YouTube, and my alarm will be set for a sunrise. Yeah, see what the sunrise is like. Hopefully this cloud disappears. We'll be in for a cracker. You can currently hear a fox. Oh yeah. Good morning. Yeah, as you can hear, it's raining. It's been raining like this all night, to be honest with you. Very fine. You can't really notice it outside. Got a little bit of cover in there. I've had a good kip. I was kept awake for a while by a fox screaming on, which seemed to be just at the bottom of the crag. Aye. Wasn't of letting us know that I was there. But yeah, I've got the cuckoo there, sounding beautiful as always. But yeah, time to get me pit now anyway. Go for a look about, see what kind of sunrise we're getting. Absolutely minging out here. Sunrise should be in that direction, but going to be a little bit cloudy, I tell you that. But yeah. I think I got Lanshan 1 doing its job. See, the weather's not that bad, but it is coming down that rain very fine. There's a Geordie up there. I do like that little window on his mine, so he's probably sitting there now looking at me thinking, oh, look at that dafty getting wet. Good little feature, that window. More attention should have that in, definitely. If I were on the back of there, I'd be alright. Yeah, that fox last night must have been somewhere down here, screaming on. That's a nature hike, Rock 60 there packed. I do love this backpack. Keep an eye out for a review coming up soon of it. I've absolutely hammered the bag. Really good. That's a 50 to 60 litre one. I will be going down to 40 as I've got it tied all the way down here on the side points. It does go really high here. You've got these extra straps on the top and the side ones are adjustable. Yeah, really good. Highly recommend this. So lightweight, 1.1 kg framed. Always check you've got your keys out. I've left them in before, I'll tell you that. Not worse than packing your tent down and realising that your car keys are in your tent. It's lashing it down with rain. Me and Steve are heading back down now. Getting a really nice camp. Bit claggy, bit moody as usual in Northumberland. Really warm last night. Temperatures were warm, 7 degrees. Steve, how did the kit perform?
Very well actually, for budget gear. Very impressed. Don't forget you can win it, so check out my Instagram. Not a plug.
Yeah, I'll put a link down there. Or go check out his Instagram. It was a canny camp. Sure we'll be back again. That fox had me head battered for a little bit last night. Yeah, as usual, I'll see you on the next one.